Hi everybody, I'm Mandy.
And I'm Amy.
And this is what's happening for the week of October 16th at the Fitchburg Senior Center. Amy, what are we in front of?
We're in front of a big board of photos celebrating anniversaries here at the Senior Center.
Yes, we have two very, very special anniversaries. This year, David Hill is celebrating his 25th year with the city, and Jill McCone is celebrating her 30th year. So I created this little photo log journey, so come on in and take a look. There's some oldies but goodies on here.
They're so great.
Oh my God, it's so fun. So congratulations, David and Jill.
Yay.
Come on over and tell them congratulations too, and let them know we're happy they're with us. Amy, what's going on?
Well, there's a new kind of craft. It's a paper craft, and it's happening on October 24th with Christine, and it's called Bird in Autumn, and it has to do with she makes these little cards out of Altoid boxes, which are really cute. I've seen them. They're darling. So if you want to come, just sign up. It's $7. And then, yeah, this week's musical is Anchors Aweigh.
Anchors Aweigh, my boy. Who's in that, Amy?
Frank Sinatra and Gene Kelly.
Awesome.
So it's on Friday. Don't miss it.
Yay.
And then what you might not know about bullying.
Bullying.
Everybody knows a bully somewhere. So it even happens, in the senior population, believe it or not, in a lot of different ways. So it's going to be on October 26th. Bev has written some books about it. She's an expert, so come on over.
Yay.
Mandy?
Hey guys, don't miss the next Lunch and Learn program. It's with our own Julia Arata Fratta, our mayor, the mayor of Fitchburg. She's going to be here. You can meet her, and she's going to talk about Fitchburg. What else would she talk about?
Right.
And Halloween, karaoke, dance party. You heard it here first. It is happening on October 27th, and our very own Fire Chief Joe is going to be here to lead the charge. All you have to do is wake up and show up.
Where the coffee's always hot, and you'll find friends,
A newspaper, and maybe even a hug.
We'll see you right here.
Right here.